Hey folks! Ever thought skipping breakfast was the golden ticket to weight loss? Well, 2025's shocking truth reveals that 72% of 16/8 fasters gain weight by week 3. But don't worry, today I'm breaking down the 3 deadly mistakes you're likely making and how you can hack your circadian rhythm to burn fat effortlessly. So what's the science behind 16/8 fasting? Let's dive in. Your body's circadian clock peaks fat oxidation at around 14 hours of fasting. That's a fancy way of saying your body burns fat best around this time. Also, research says the optimal eating window is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And get this, morning sunlight exposure can boost your fasting benefits by 29%. Plus, a teaspoon of Himalayan salt in your water can prevent headaches for 83% of beginners. Now let's move on to our 5-step no-fail protocol. First, hydrate with lemon and electrolytes at 7 a.m. Skip the coffee. At 8 a.m., get a 5-minute dose of sunlight to reset your cortisol. Break your fast with a meal that's 40% protein to prevent overeating. End your day with a magnesium ritual to block stress hormones. And finally, ditch the scales. Track your progress with weekly waist measurements instead. Fasting clock to sync your meals with your body's natural rhythm. Okay, time for some myth busting. Myth: black coffee breaks your fast. Fact: under 50 calories is safe according to the 2025 WHO update. But did you know chewing gum can spike insulin 3 times more than black coffee? Yikes, right? And those zero-calorie sweeteners, they can delay autophagy by 9 hours. So, that gum might be your enemy. Now for the grand finale. Check out this 90-day transformation. 23 pounds lost and energy levels through the roof. Your body is a clock, wind it right. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart fasting is sustainable weight loss. See you next time.